Recently, Barrie experienced one of the worst ice storms in decades, leaving thousands without power, heat, or hot water. The storm uprooted hundreds of trees, causing significant damages to homes, power lines, and infrastructure. In many areas, schools were forced to close for a week to allow time for cleanup and repairs. While housed residents faced major challenges, those who were unhoused were left with minimum to no support. In response, Ryan's Hope and their team quickly mobilized to provide critical aid, delivering food, water, warm clothing, and other essential supplies to people living in encampments. Simcoe Community Media joined Ryan's Hope on a visit to the affected areas, both to assess the storm damage and to witness the support efforts firsthand.
So we are doing outreach. We're just checking our friends in the encampment, bringing them a hot meal, hot chocolate, survival supplies. The storm hit hard this area, so we're just checking because a lot of people lost a lot of stuff. They got flooding and tents collapsed, and so we're just checking on them and seeing what we can do to help them tonight. Did you need socks to anything?
Socks, yeah, please.
Socks are in the back on the car seats. Yeah, so we're just here. We brought a hot meal. We brought hot chocolate, socks, blankets, just a bunch of survival supplies.
So usually how many people you happen to serve?
Every night is different. So this area usually we would serve around 30 to 40 people a night.
And then who else we have here with you?
Oh, that's Ash, our awesome Ash. Do you want from apple or clementine? Two apples?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. And I have two juices.
Oh, perfect.
We're right there. Okay.
Thanks, Kenny.
All right, take care. Oh, no hot chocolate?
Well, you got hot chocolate?
Okay.
Yeah, we got hot.
I can put it in
sure.
one of these.
Please.
Okay, here, hold this.
Yeah, we're full service. Oh, you had the flu or something?
Yeah. My granddaughter had it, and then I was like bedridden for almost a week.
Oh, no.
It was so bad.
Wow.
I'm just starting to feel better. So,
Awesome.
yeah,
Thanks,
catching up
Kenny.
with everybody.
Okay.
All right, take
Have a
care.
great day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, no.
I got two meals. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And may I get a few socks if possible? Whenever you.
Do you need any water?
Yes. I'll take water. It's not really cold all of a sudden.
Oh,
my
and do you
God.
like barbecue peanuts? So the barbecue peanuts are no.
Oh yeah. Yes. 100%.
Oh,
No,
John,
I-
you want to get something served?
The tour shed light on the extensive impact the ice storm had on encampments while also highlighting the City of Barrie's inadequate cleanup response. Additionally, the ongoing problem of illegal dumping, lack of garbage pickup by the city, and the absence of a dumpster near these sites continue to worsen the already dire living conditions for the unhoused.
As you can see, some of the destruction there, like it's pretty bad. People have like makeshift shelters that have been collapsed and crushed by trees and that, so it's been pretty devastating for them. So some of the garbage is actually illegally dumped. People will just drop garbage off here and then they just like to drive away. So our friends have complained about that. But the reason that there's garbage, our friends do their best to keep their areas clean. And they will put everything in a garbage bag, bring it to the end of the road like you and I have the pleasure to be able to do, and someone comes and takes it away, but the city won't come and pick up their garbage, and so it gets ripped open by animals and stuff like that. So I mean, they're doing their best to keep it clean, but without the help of the city, they can't do it alone. Clean Up Barrie, we kind of have like a partnership with them, so we'll let them know when there's like a cleanup needs to be done here, and then we'll just come and then someone has to take the stuff to the dump because the city won't come and collect it like they do for everyone else. See, they put these here so that everyone knows where they are in case someone has an overdose. So we're just going to drive up by E. Fry because sometimes there's people outside of E. Fry on the other side and check if there's anyone there. That'll probably be our last stop for today.
Near the Elizabeth Fry Society located at 102 Maple Avenue, a woman approached Christine Nayler for help. The woman was injured, unable to walk, and had no access to an overnight stay or even a warm place to rest for a short time.
Trying to get someone into shelter. So she's leaving an abusive relationship. She was in hospital for an injury. She just got released from hospital. She's having difficulty walking. She's trying to get into shelter. There's no shelter space available. The women's children's shelter is full of. All of our shelters are full. Everywhere she sits, she's being told she can't stay here. She needs to leave. She needs to go somewhere else. So now our last choice is hopefully that there's going to be space at the warming center for her tonight.
After making a few calls, Christine was able to secure her a spot at a warming center located at 445 Blake Street. The center, however, is located on the outskirts of Barrie near Oro-Medonte border. It is also approximately 2 kilometers from the downtown city center, making it difficult to access for someone without a car who usually carries a lot of essential items of survival. Christine gave the woman a bus pass, but given how far the bus stop was and the disruption of bus services due to the storm, Christine ended up driving her in her own car to the warming center. Yesterday, we visited the encampment site again to check on the cleanup progress made by the city. However, we still spotted illegal dumping and damage caused by the recent ice storm. We will continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates. Thank you for watching.